All right, y'all, today we're back in Waxahachie, Texas in the Waterfall Ranch community here. And we're gonna be taking a look at this beautiful Graham Hart home behind me here. This is their Athens floor plan. It's 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, with a 3-car garage, all on 1 acre. It's 2,769 square foot, and it's currently priced at $668,900. This backs up in the back of the community here, so there's farmland right behind it. It's nice and peaceful out here. Just a beautiful neighborhood taking shape. The HOA is only $300 per year, and it's just really, really pretty out here. So the home's beautiful inside and out. Love the beautiful double doors right there. So let's go ahead and take a tour of the rest of it. All right, y'all, here we are on the inside of this beautiful Athens floor plan by Graham Hart out here in Waxahachie, Texas, the Waterfall Ranch community. Love these double doors with the fogged areas there with the glass, letting in lots of natural light. So you're getting that light in and still keeping all your privacy. And we've got right off the entryway, a nice big coat closet here. Then as we move around, we've got the living room right here, right off the entryway. And then we've got a vaulted ceiling here in the living room. We've got the gas log fireplace right there. And then 4 big picture windows looking out to the back porch and backyard. And once again, that's farmland right back there. So nice and quiet back here. Nice big open space. And then this kitchen's beautiful. I love the dark cabinetry. Tons of cabinet space and storage space. And then this huge island. You can definitely seat 5 seats comfortably right there. Love the backsplash here, pairing with the dark cabinets and then the light countertops here. It's beautiful. And you got your pendant lights hanging over your island right here already. Then we've got a 5-burner Frigidaire gas range. So that is powered by a buried propane tank on site here. You got this vent hood, it's vented to the outside. And then on the island here, you've got your dishwasher, also Frigidaire. You've got this big, beautiful farmhouse sink here. And we've got the oven there and the microwave mounted above it. Tucked away right back here, you've got a huge pantry. So you've got a window in the pantry as well. And then this is a huge walk-in pantry. So tons of space in here to keep everything tucked away and organized. And then on the end there, you've got space for the refrigerator. And then you've got your dining space right here. Nice chandelier there, and then 3 more picture windows and then a door to the back porch. We'll go up to the back porch here in a little bit. Out on the back porch, it's hard to see from here, but you've got gas that's already stubbed out. So you can put a gas grill out there. And then here we go. We've got the mudroom area right here, right off the 3-car garage. We'll go ahead and take a look at the 3-car garage real quick. So, really good sized 3-car garage here. These 3 windows looking out to the front yard. Then we've got a 2-car on this side, and then the single car on this side here. Seen some people make this a gym space or just extra storage, or if you want to park all 3 cars in, you definitely can. It's definitely a longer garage here as well on this side, so if you've got a nice big truck, shouldn't have any problem parking it in here. And actually, let me check one other thing here. It's looking, we don't have any hot water tanks in here, so I believe we're working with tankless hot water heater. So, as you come in from the garage, you've got the bunk bench area that we just talked about, and then a huge laundry room right here. This is a really good size, and you've got space for your full-size washer and dryer right here. You can definitely fit a deep freeze right here, or an extra fridge or fridge freezer combo. And then it is correct. This is your controls for a tankless hot water heater in the home. So really nice size laundry room here. We've got a door with access into the master closet, really good size master closet. Let's go around the other way. So you can access the master closet directly from the laundry room, but let's go back this way to the main entrance to the master. Got another picture window here letting in natural light. Then we got a door to the master here. Really good sized master. And we got 3 windows looking out to the backyard. And then here in the master bath, it's also just very wide open. Got 2 vanities right there. And then you've got a really nice standalone tub, really nice walk-in shower there. And then 2 windows that are frosted, letting in lots of really good lighting in here. And then nice big linen closet here. And then we've got a room here for the toilet. And then this goes right into the master closet. Really good sized master closet. Once again, the door to the laundry room right there. So this is a really nice split floor plan design. So it's got 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. There is a 4th room. It's a flex room. You could use it as an office. You could use it as a game room. Really, whatever works best for you. If you wanted to, you could use it as a 4th bedroom as well. So here's the 2nd and 3rd bedroom back here. Got a window out to the side right there. This being on 1 acre out here, it's not tied into a sewer system, so you've got your own mini sewer plant. Right out the window here, you can see it. This the green deals out here. That's the septic system, and then further on up there, you've got the buried propane tank. So each of them can be accessed, by the contractors that you'll need to help out with emptying the septic eventually, usually probably on a yearly basis, and then filling up your propane tank when you need to. Got this Jack and Jill bathroom here that are side by side, right, with the second and third bedrooms. We got the toilet and tub shower combo here with the door being able to be shut off for privacy. And then the third bedroom here, it's kind of a mirror image of the second one we were just showing. Each of these have really nice sized closets here, and then tall ceilings throughout the home, since this is a single story home here. Got carpeting throughout the bedrooms. Got these beautiful floors, wood floors throughout the rest of the home. And then here's that flex room we were talking about. So it's got nice vaulted ceiling in here. You definitely could, you got 2 windows looking out to the front yard. You could use this as a media room, as an office, or 4th bedroom. Just put some dressers in here or something like that. Now, I mean, it doesn't have a door on it right now. I do think that would be nice to have that finished out if you're going to use it for, really anything like a bedroom or an office. Media room, you might be able to get away with not having a door here. We've got a linen closet right here, and then the half bath is right here near the flex room and right off the living room, so that's perfect for company to come here. Beautiful Athens floor plan, very versatile floor plan here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the back porch now. Got a really nice deep back porch here. There's that stubbed out gas line here. You can hook your grill right up to it. You can just hear the birds going crazy. Nice and peaceful out here. Got a cornfield right there. All right, y'all, once again, we're in Waxahachie, Texas, out here in the Waterfall Ranch community, taking a tour of this beautiful Graham Hart home here. This is their Athens floor plan, and it's just beautiful. Love these double doors here leading into the home. And then just recapping the stats on the home, it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home with a 3-car garage. It is 2,769 square foot. It's got a flex room right here at the front of the house as well. And it's got a 3-car garage. It's all on 1 acre. And it's currently priced at $668,900. So this one is move-in ready and absolutely stunning. Just really, really beautiful home. It's that modern farmhouse feel to it, and it's definitely fitting, seeing as you're backing right up to some cornfields here. So it's really, really beautiful home. Definitely appreciate them letting me take a tour of this with you all. So if you got any questions about this home or any of the other homes that I cover, definitely reach out to me, and I'd be more than happy to answer those questions for you. I'm a local DFW realtor. I don't work for the builder, but I can help work for you. So so many of you have reached out with your questions about the homes that I'm covering and telling me about your plans for 2026 and beyond. And it's been so great meeting each and every one of you. So continue to reach out as you have questions, and we can talk about you making those plans to move forward and move to the area. So once again, thank you so much for watching each and every week. I appreciate it, and I'll see you next week. Y'all take care.